Wow, my people, Dancehall skilla there here again and more information to give to you. Big up and respect to each and every one. I hope that everyone are alright. Alright, now before I get into the whole topic, viewers and subscribers, I want to encourage each and every one who are new to my channel to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Alright, now my people, I do not know if each and every one of you, my viewers and subscribers, know this, but I got information that a constable that is known as Noel Maitland, who is said to be the boyfriend of the missing female who goes by the name of Donna Donaldson, has been taken into police custody in relation to the disappearance of the female who goes by the name of Donna Donaldson. Now, I got more than one information as to how Maitland had been taken into police custody, viewers and subscribers. I'm not sure which one of these information are accurate, but I'm going to tell you both of these information. So I got information that Noel Maitland surrendered to law enforcers from within the country of Jamaica, and I got information that Noel Maitland had been arrested by detectives from the Counterterrorism and Organized Crime Investigation Branch on Wednesday. That would be the 27th of July, the year 2022. It is said that this happened as a result of a case review. Yes, so my viewers and subscribers, yeah, it is said that the case where it is said that a female had been reported missing was reviewed, and Maitland had been taken into police custody. Now, it is said that the case review had been done by Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions and members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, and also the Independent Commission of Investigations in the COM. Yes, when I say, my people, I got the understanding that the review of the case resulted in a way where it was agreed that there was enough evidence to link Constable Noel Maitland to the disappearance of the missing female. You hear me? I said to you, my people, listen again. It is said that the Deputy Commissioner of Police, who goes by the last name of Bailey, said that formal charges are expected to be laid against Noel Maitland soon. Now, I don't know if each and everyone know about this whole situation where it is said that a social media influencer who goes by the name of Donna Donaldson had been reported missing, viewers and subscribers, but there has been some allegations and assumptions that have been made about the whole situation on social media and off social media. See? And, you know, at some point I got information that the police officer who goes by the name of Noel Maitland was removed from frontline duty. I'm not sure what exactly happened. You understand? It is also said that Noel Maitland have a baby mother who is said to be a police officer. And some allegations have been made about the female who is said to be Maitland's baby mother. Yes, I said to your viewers and subscribers. Anyways, I got information at a certain time within the month of July that gave me the understanding that there was not enough evidence to link the policewoman to the disappearance of the female who goes by the name of Donna Donaldson. Now, for those who might not have a good understanding about the whole situation, I'm going to leave a link at the end of this video, and if you click that link will take you to a previous video that I have done about this whole situation. Alright, so here's where I'm going to leave it, viewers and subscribers. Big up and respect to each and every one. Let me know what you think. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall skilla. Big up yourself, Azid.